Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Children, already you know about the plants and even you have the plants in your house also or in front of your house or in the school also, in the school garden. You are seeing so many plants over there, isn't it? So today I am going to show you some of them. Can you recognize them? Okay, let's start. See on the screen I am showing you the pig. What is the name, children? Yes, it is called a sugar cane. So next one is, what is that? You worship this plant in your home. Everyone used to have this, isn't it? So this is called tulsi, or you can say basil plant. So next comes here, what is that? Maize, or you can say corn, isn't it? So next comes here, what is that? It looks very big. What is the name of that vegetable? Yes, it is called pumpkin. And next comes, what is that red color? Yes, it is tomato plant. And next comes, what is that? It is very tallest one, isn't it? So this is called a coconut tree. So children, you saw so many plants and trees over here, isn't it? So can you tell me the parts of that? Let's take an example. See on the screen here. See, from the bottom we will start now, okay? So what do you have there? A thread-like structure that is called roots. Okay, see on the screen, this is called roots. And next comes, this is called trunk. Okay, if you come little bit up, roots always you find it in the below the ground ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವೇನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು? ಎಸ್, ಟ್ರಂಕ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಂಕ್. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚಸ್. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಫ್ಲವರ್, isn't it? So what left over there? What is that green color one? It is called leaf. Okay, got it children? So these are the parts of the plants. So first one is, if you start from the bottom, it is roots. Next comes trunk, or you can say stem, and then next comes branches, leaves, flower. Okay, have you understood this one? Well, so next we'll move on to, see on the screen children, I am showing you a very small plant as well as a big tree. See the difference between these two. The small plants we call them as a herbs. For example, you can say fenugreek, ಮೇಥಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಹರ್ಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಫೆನುಗ್ರಿಕ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೊರಿಯಾಂಡರ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹರ್ಬ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ಪಾಲಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿನಾಚ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ, ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಪೈನಾಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೀ. We used to call them as a tree because depend upon the what? Sizes. It is very bigger size. Okay, so these are called this. If the plants are big and very tall, then we used to tell them that as a tree. Got it, children? See, on the screen I am showing you bitter gourd and grapes as well as snake gourd plants. Okay, see how they are. Look at them. How is the shape? How is the structure? Can we tell them as a plant or a tree? Do you know what we call them? You might be heard in your home or in a school. Your mama is telling that it is a pumpkin creeper, grapevine creeper. Have you heard this word? So bitter gourd creeper. Have you heard this one, creeper word? What is meant by this, children? Creeper means, see on the screen, as I have told you, these are the bitter gourd, grapevine. These are having very thin and long stems, or you can say trunk. See, this plant is different from the herbs and the tree, isn't it? These grow on the land. Some of them will grow on the, like they climb like this on the tree, because these need support to grow. ನೋಡಿ, ಟ್ರೀನ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಓ ಇದು ಟ್ರೀ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ತಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ. ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. Otherwise it will spread on the land itself. So here, children, some of the creepers, they are taking the support of the tree or other plants or a grapevine. So these are like, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So pumpkin is a very big vegetable. You know, pumpkin is very in big size, isn't it? So the plant of the pumpkin is creeper. Pumpkin is not having any tree or even not having any plant. See on the screen, the pumpkin plant, or you can say the pumpkin creeper looks like this. It is having very thin and very long stem. Okay, is that clear, children? So this kind of plants we call them as creepers. CREEPERS, creepers. Okay, is that clear? So next I am showing you, children, some of the other trees. See, look at the screen. Here we have a coconut tree and mango tree, and next there is a banana tree, and next comes, what is that? Grape creeper. Exactly. Next comes watermelon creeper. So observing all these plants or a tree, what you have noticed, children? Yes, these are having different shape of stems, or you can say different shape of trunks, isn't it? See, in the coconut tree and in a mango tree, it is standing and it has very large trunk. Even in a banana, compared to both two, it is a small one. And if you come to the grapevine, it is having very thin one, isn't it? So same like that, even the watermelon is also having the same. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Children, here you have to notice one thing that, see, the plants, all the plants we have separated them into, or we have kept in a 3 different groups. If they are very small and thin, we used to call them as herbs. Okay, so next comes another one. If the trees or if the plants are very tall and strong or big, those are called trees. The first one is herb, next one is trees, and the third one is having the stem very long, or you can say very thin and weak, and that is called creeper. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು 3 ಗುಂಪುಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ.